Now let's look together at what tools and resources you need to master affiliate marketing. It seems like there are no end to the products you can use. If you're like me, you get email offers all the time and you see ads for new ways to do these wonderful things that we need to do. And that can make things confusing. So let's slow it down and simplify it and focus on what you really need to get the job done. I'm going to go through these one at a time, so you might want to make a list while I'm sharing them, or go through this video again so you can make a list. All right, the main tools affiliate marketers use are, number one, a PayPal account. Why PayPal? Because PayPal has become the go-to method for paying affiliates for companies of all sizes. Very large companies and individuals who have affiliate programs pay through PayPal. Plus, almost all instant commission programs where you get paid an instant commission on the moment the sale is made run on PayPal. In most cases, a personal PayPal account will work, but you might want to check with the affiliate program you like best and ask them that question. The next thing is an autoresponder. This is very, very important. An autoresponder is a service or a piece of software that sends email on a schedule you choose. You probably already know what an autoresponder is. You add the messages, you set the schedule, and the software does the work automatically. It's beautiful, and it creates true automation, which is unlike anything you can find offline. This is perhaps your most important tool, and it's the way you build your list. The autoresponder company will provide the form people will fill in order to join your list. And it's where you store your list as well. You don't store your list on your computer. You store it on the autoresponder company, and then you make backups to your computer for safety. And the autoresponder company sends the email for you. So it's a very important tool for affiliate marketers. Very important to get this right. Which autoresponder is best? That's a question I'm asked a lot. And there's really no one answer to this, but there are guidelines, and I'm going to share those with you right now. Number one, you want to count the cost. Obviously, there's a cost of doing business, of being an affiliate marketer, and you want to keep those costs down while you get your profits up high. Many autoresponders are free for the first X number of subscribers, and I say X because I've seen 100 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, and it's always good to start with something free as long as you're not putting advertising in your email. It can really help you get started. You want to calculate the costs for when your list is 10,000 people, however. You want to know what that cost is going to be because you're going to get there soon. If you follow what's in this course and you work hard, and I know you're going to, you'll get up to 10,000 soon. And when you do, you're going to be in a completely different situation than you might even be able to imagine right now. It's a really wonderful thing. You want to be able to broadcast, which means just writing up an email and sending it out right now, and send automated follow-up messages too, which 99% of autoresponders do allow. So you're probably going to be covered there. Plus, you want to be able to tag or identify people who are on multiple lists. This is important because these can be your most serious prospects and buyers. If you're promoting 3 or 4 products and the same person gets on 3 or 4 lists, that's a very strong indicator they're very interested in something. So you might want to contact them individually. Next, you need a way to build landing pages. That's called a page builder. It's a confusing term, but that's what it's called. A page builder is simply software that builds landing pages, and these landing pages can be a squeeze page or a sales page or a video page or information or even membership pages. They're all only pages on the internet, and the term landing page simply means a page someone lands on once they click a link. If you have a blog, you can use a page builder installed on your blog. If not, you can use a service online that hosts the pages for you. Using a page builder is easy compared to the old days of coding HTML by hand, because today you start with a template. Look for a page builder that offers lots of great templates, which will make your job very quick and very easy. You don't have to imagine the perfect squeeze page from scratch. You don't have to dream it up because they'll have templates that have already been tested, and you can choose the one that converts the best and begin with that. Now you're going to need a traffic source, right? You've got to have traffic if you want to promote affiliate products and make sales. We had an entire section on traffic, so be sure to check your notes from there or go back and watch that again. For affiliates, great traffic sources include Facebook, solo ads, which are email ads sent on your behalf by the person who owns a list, social media, and pay-per-click. These are very powerful ways to drive traffic for affiliate marketers. And don't forget about banners on targeted blogs. A lot of affiliates overlook that, but it really works well. The key is to test one source at a time and see what works best for you. Like most affiliates, you'll probably find your fit very quickly. You'll find something that works, you really like the process, and you know how to do it, so you do it over and over again. That's great. That's a wonderful thing. Also, you're going to need to track your ads. You'll need ad tracking. There's a famous saying that goes like this: what gets measured gets improved. And that's true. That's exactly the purpose of ad tracking. Every time you run an ad to promote a product, use an ad tracker. Don't ever send out your raw affiliate link. Always track. This can be as simple as a plugin you put on your blog if you have one, or a service that allows you to split test and do much more. But tracking does matter, so don't skip this step. Many affiliates do, and they always regret it. You need to know how many clicks your ad gets, so you'll know which ad performs best and keep the winners while getting rid of the losers. Plus, you want to make sure you get what you pay for, right? An ad tracker will do that, especially if you're buying clicks. So those are the tools you really need to have. Now, let's take a look at some tools you might use as an affiliate marketer. I want to make sure that you understand all of these are optional, but you might want to use them. Number one, a way to create graphics. Most good affiliate programs are going to provide you with graphics that they've already made, and in most cases, those are going to be great. But you might want to create your own, and if you do, you're going to want a way to create those graphic images. You might want your own domain name if you don't have one already, so that all the links you send out are branding your domain name. That's a good idea. And of course, you'll need a hosting account if you want to have a blog and have a domain name that can be accessed through a link. A blog of your own is a great idea, in my view, because you can do content marketing, build your list, build your audience, and build authority all from that one blog. So I believe having a blog or a platform is very, very important for you. And there are various outsourcers you can use to do different things if you're busy and you can afford it. Outsourcing can be very inexpensive these days, and it's best used for affiliate marketers for things like ad campaigns, where you have to do a repetitive task over and over again. Focus on the basic tools first and then add more if you need to use them, but only if. You can run your entire affiliate marketing business on the big five, the first five tools we discussed at the beginning. Next, we'll build a complete affiliate marketing system together. That's going to be fun. I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks for being here and have a great day.